Today we are going to learn Constructor and Destructor in C++. So let's begin with the session. As usual, open Dev C++ and begin a new project. Choose the console application and C++ project options from the menu. Save this project as project 2. By default, the iostream.h header file is included, and the main function is provided. Add using namespace std, to utilize elements from standard libraries within the environment. Here, declare the class calc. Then declare private variables. In public, the member function is to be written. The function having same name to the class name is called constructor. When we want constructor should perform no operation, then the curly braces will contain nothing. Next to this, declare the class object in main function. Then save the code file in this project with the name as main.cpp. The default name is main.cpp. So don't change it. Make folder prac2, under it save the file. Now, compile the file. Then run. On the output screen, you will see nothing. This is because there is no any operation in the constructor. So let's add something in the constructor. Let's add to print something. Keep remaining things as is. Then compile again and run. Now, we can see, the constructor is called. Now let's see the constructor overloading concept. Write another function with the same name, but, this time, it is going to receive an integer argument. Then print something and get some data from the user. Then simply compile and run. Here, we see, that, overloaded constructor is not called. For this, to take effect, we need to pass, an argument, while declaring, an object of the class. Then simply compile and run. Make sure, that new class object declared must have different name. Let's correct it. Now we can see that overloaded constructor is also called. Let's provide some input number. Here, default value of v, and new number input value, for a, is printed. Let's turn off the first declaration by converting into comment. Then, run it, we can see, the default constructor that is called, is only the one with argument. Now let's add display function in the class as public member. In that let us print the value of a. Now, call the display member function with the use of class objects in the main function. Here after running we see, that, value of a, in default constructor execution, is 0 and, in, overloaded constructor, it is new input value. To make the printing in proper format, we add, and L, at the end of each cout command statement. This way, we have learned that, which default constructor is called, during class object declarations, and how respective operations are executed. In the next video, we will learn the destructor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.